scratching. We're about to itch our scratch. Right there, Brad. Bust that thing.
Fall out of the tree stand. Trying to bust a squirrel.
Hold on.
These squirrels everywhere.
I can't find it. There it is.
Thank you.
Wait till you get a good clear shot. It's gonna come in this. Go ahead and right there. Bust it. Brr. No, it's still there. Should have brought in it. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It took off. Brad, what happened there?
He jumped his tree.
Did you miss it by much? I didn't even see that.
No, where's he at?
Nah, he took off running like a bat out of hell. Well, what do you think, Brad? Finally got to pull the trigger.
Is there any more?
We're gonna
Justin's
squirrel.
talking right now, so I guess we're done hunting.
Yeah, Brad's shooting arrows, and that makes a big difference.